Sagittarius, hi! Sagittarius na ba? Oh, Sagittarius na. So, ito. Okay. Okay, okay. Alright, start tayo sa love, okay? Um, medyo, if you if you're single, Sagittarius, I would suggest, na travel, okay? Discover places, go out alone, alam mo yon? And spend more time with nature. Like, if you are, there are packages in which that you can take advantage of. Yung mga nagtutour, yan, sumama ka doon. Because I'm sensing in here a very romantic getaway. Okay, very romantic getaway. Um, Adventurous siya and at the same time mapusok and masarap, 'di ba? Ganon. Um, I know Sagittarius. Most of Sagittarius are very really positive people, and I would suggest na to handle that optimism well. Okay, handle that optimism well. Why? Because sometimes being optimist would lead you to overspending. Deserve ko to and eventually kaya ko naman niyang bayaran, ganyan ganyan. We don't need to, yeah, nakakalutang din. Alam mo yun, pag sobrang nagmamahal ka, nakakalutang yon to a point na hindi mo na mga napapansin yung gantong detalye. So I want you to enjoy and at the same time, I want you to stay grounded. Para hindi ka naman ma-surprise na, though, may capacity ka naman bayaran lahat yan. The thing is, hindi para i-subject natin yung mga sarili natin sa mga ganong bagay. Okay? Sa mga ganong pagkakataon. Yun lang.